when we put it to you that the call that you allege came from Mamfonisi, as you call her, does not appear on Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1. In other words, your cell phone records. You then said that the information on DD5E1 can be changed just as the photo for case number 3 was changed. Do you remember that?
into ebhalwe phansi ingenzeka ukuthi ishintshe njengoba ke isithombe sikamsolo sisashintsha yakhumbusho lokho
isithombe ngasashintsha samiswa ngendlela
the positioning of the picture was changed to another position.
But what do you mean it was changed?
Kusho ukuthi imali sashintsha
usithombe angithi ngibona sisi ngibhekele isithombe sashintsha sama ngendlela la ekhona la nangihleli lapha nangihleli nosibili isithombe sashintsha sama ngendlela kukhona umabaso
as the witness is given illustration that as he's standing facing forward, that's how the picture was initially taken. But when the picture was shown before the court, the positioning of his standing was changed.
Nesithombe zayishuka ukuthi lokuthi babu Jonas nomabaso ngefoni kodwa zathi mayikuma sesihlela sibuka ithombe layishitshwa kanje.
And even the pictures that were taken by Jonas and Mr. Mabaso using a phone, the positioning or the position of the pictures were changed.
But Mr. Ntanzi, that was a demonstration to show that when a selfie is taken using a photo, what the position of the photos would be. Nothing was changed. It was just a demonstration showing how a photo that is taken with a selfie can appear.
Mzantanzi-ke uthi umbuso ke akukho isithombe zange sishintshwe okwenzakala ke bekukhombisa nje mhlawumbe isithombe masithathwe umuntu ezithatha ulo camera ebhekiseke nayo biziselfie ke phecelezi ke isithombe sivela kanjani hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe sishintshiwe isithombe bekukhombisa nje ukuthi mawuthatha iselfie isithombe ke siba kanje
sese mina ngikhuluma ngento ngangizwa ngikhuluma ngento ngathi ngangibuka lapha ecourt.
I am not talking about something hearsay. I'm talking about something that I saw being shown before the court.
Uma ngathatha ifoni yakho lese ngiyibambe so ngishutha isithombe isandla sokudla nesandla sonqele mase nasifakwa la ngalashika isandla sokudla kwesandla sonqele silale lesi.
For example, my lord, if I will now take the court interpreter's cell phone and then take a selfie holding the phone with the left hand and the right hand on the other side, when that picture or same photo is being shown before the court, there's no way that the left hand will change to be the right hand.
Mr. Ntanzi, Surgeon Mavas is an expert. He's a digital forensic expert, and various demonstrations were carried out here in court. There's no evidence that any photo was changed.
Umntwana Ntanzi-ke yena ke umntwana Mabaso-ke uyi-expert ngomsebenzi nakho wenzile ukufundele lokho akwenzele futhi akwenzeki ukuthi-ke angashintsha nje isithombe.
Mina ngisho ukuthi isithombe sesiThomabaso ngithi isithombe sishuthwe la thina sesifika la ekhompyutheni abacofi bekhompyutha isithombe sasesimene indlela Mabaso samdida nokuthi funa akuchazele ikhodi ngendaba yesithombe.
I never mentioned that Mabaso changed the photos. All I said is that the picture was taken, and then, but when it was projected before the court, the picture has changed. Even Mabaso was confused about the picture that was depicted for him to answer on.
And we put it to you that there's no such evidence, and none of the legal representatives raised such an issue.
Mnumzane Ntanzi-ke siyabekela ukuthi-ke abukho ufakazi-ke lokho okukhombisa lokho okushoyo namanje futhi-ke nabameli-ke kunomelo oyedwa-ke oye waba nenkinga noma-ke waba nokungaphambana kwalento eshoyo lento enkantolo kanje.
Ngicela ukuthi avule irekhodi kababa uMnisi uma uthi ngikhumbula kahle.
Can you just pull
Nangu baba
out
uMnisi akhothe khona.
Can you just pull out Mr. Mnisi's report? Mr. Mnisi is also here before the court.
What record is it?
The report is clear, Baba.
Lapho umniselela sona isithombe lesi isithombe lesingale ndlela manje sesiphenduka samanye indlela.
Where Mr. Mnisi, my lord, was actually bringing to the attention of the court that the picture initially was in this position, but now when it is depicted before the court, it is in another position.
And it happened also in front of me.
Konke lokho kwenzeke
Yeah, record that start isithombe nayo yasibuka isifoni yayihamba khona ifoni record that start isithombe yasifoni.
My lord, even the court took a look at that picture because the phone was being handed over to other attorneys also to look at the same photo.
But we, as we've already done, put it to that there was various demonstrations by Sergeant Mabasa, a digital forensic expert, about the position of selfies. No photo was changed.
Mnumzane Ntanzike,
The state is suggesting that after what Mr. Ntanzike has explained, there was no issue that was taken up by counsel, by defense counsel, in respect of what Ntanzike has just explained. That supposition on its own is not accurate, because there was a lot of commotion that happened here in court with regard to the flipping and floxing of those photos. There was a positional change of those photos, of course, and we registered our concern. Specifically me, on behalf of accused number 3, I registered my concern with regard to what was happening there.
So, sorry, was evidence created? This is what you're trying to say, from Secretary's claim. He says evidence was fraudulently created even in front of this judge.
I did not hear him saying that, my lord, but he says...
No, he says it's changing. I'm just saying, otherwise we're wasting time. We've got to call those experts because they were deceiving in the court. What you're saying was evidence created in front of this court and then in front of even your counsels. It changed. Evidence had changed, yeah? It was created. Something new. When it came here, it changed form. That's what she said.
Yes, madam, I heard you saying the position of the photo. There was a positional change of the photo as it was being demonstrated there. And that is also...
So it's the same photo. There's no creation of evidence. Just ask him, your client. Because the way I understand it, evidence was created, fraudulently created. Matter, and then it's something new. Matter was created in front of me, fraudulently. That's what he's saying.
Sorry. The witness never said the evidence was fraudulently created in this court in front of us.
I am telling it like that because I was here and I never saw any evidence change in my presence. Never.
Yes, but I'm correcting that it's not the witness who says it was changed
What did he say?
in front of us.
What did he say?
Yes, it is exactly as what Mr. Lee says.
Yeah, but what is he saying? Because I don't understand. What is he saying?
Is that it was positional changed, but not that it was manufactured here in court in
So
front
there was
of
no
us.
evidence created.
There was no evidence
No,
created.
fine, no problem then.
I think maybe if we can just listen to him properly and get what he's trying to say, the meaning of what he's saying.
This is what we're doing. He's saying there's no evidence which was created.
We leave it at... Is that what you're saying, that there was no evidence that was created?
Mnumzane Ntanzike abukho bofakazi ke obuye bayenza ubusha bube bayenza la nkantolo. Ngale nkathi thula ufakazi babo. Ufakazi obusha obwenziwe. Kunjalo.
Obusha ngandlela ipapa sikhumisa izinto eziningi.
New evidence like how,
Yes.
because there's lots of things that we have already discussed.
As we put it to that Sergeant Mabasa is an expert, he was just showing the difference, demonstrating the different positions when taking a cell phone with a selfie with a cell phone.
Uthi ke umbuso ke ngendlela kuyasho ngakhona Sergeant Mabasa ke ungqo emsebenzini wakhe ufundele futhi kube khombisa nje phela ukuthi ke uma ngabe kuthatha isithombe kuthatha iselfie isithombe sakhona siphuma kanjani.
Mina ngisho ukuthi bamakhothi mabasonqa emsebenzini.
I never said that he's not an expert in that.
Mina ngikhuluma ngesithombe sithema sivela la savela sesingenye indlela.
I only spoke about the picture when it was depicted, it appeared in a different way.
Yes. But as your counsel says, it was demonstrating the positional change, the different positions when taking a selfie with a cell phone.
Njengoba ke umeli naye shilo ukuthi ke mathatha ke isithombe ke nge-cellphone selfie kahle kahle nge-cellphone ke iphuma ke ngenye ke indlela.
Mina ikhodi ngisenakuchaza ngathi ubabonisa wazwasukuma la wala kayela sami isithombe wayesivela singenye indlela mase singathi siqhama sesingenye indlela.
My Lord, even on that particular day, Mr. Mnisi stood up and had fights or displeasure on how this picture was now appearing before the court.
Well, he's just put himself on record. Can we then get back to the incident of the 16th of June 2020?
As a full record, there's some indication that Mr. Mule wanted to reach my application.
Okay.
Thank you. Is it please the court, no, but I'm not so sure whether this will also assist the state. Mr. Mule is reminding me that I should request to bring it to the attention of this court what actually happened. He's saying there was a point when Mr. Mawas was testifying there. A photo of him was taken, a selfie. He was taken with his right hand up. But when it appeared there, it was flipped to appear as if what was now up, it was his left hand. That is what is reminding me, and it is exactly that. That was at the time when this court was busy with whether or not Mr. Mube had a golden teeth on his left upper jaw. Thank you.
Well, Mr. Ntanzi, we put it to that what was happening was a demonstration by Sergeant Mabasa, and there was also a demonstration by the interpreter raising their hands, indicating what the position would be if a selfie was taken. Nothing was changed. It was just a demonstration.
Mnumzane Ntanzi, akukho owashintshwa lapha esithombeni. Okwenzeka nje phela nje ukukhomba ukuthi ke uma ke umuntu ke njengoba basenjengoba yashilo nayo ukuthi uma ngabe umuntu uthatha ke isithombe ke ngefoni ayibhekise kuyena ngathi selfie pictures isithombe sakhona sizoqhamuka sizovela sinjani. Kodwa akukho nje phela ukushintshiwe esithombeni. Yikho nje lokho sikubekela khona.
Ngibekela yena umshoshe sephambi kwekhodi.
That's what you're putting.
Mina ngivumelana nalokho.
I'm not agreeing to that.
Cool. Nalapha ngoba mina mangibamba ifoni yami ngesandla so ngisho ukuthi isithombe mase sila ifone engabuye esandleni sokudla ifone ibambe esandla somnene.
I am not agreeing to what you are saying because if I were to use my left hand to hold the phone and to take a selfie, that picture should not appear now that the phone is held with the right hand.
Angeke phambi kwakho ngizothi ngimila njengenje ngimile songihead ibhola ngale mali ikhanda lami seliyaleka lokho nesandla sokudla angeke yenzeke lo nto.
It is not possible also that maybe I would just be standing and I'm heading a ball to the left, but when the picture now is shown before the court, it shows my head being flipped to the right.
Yes. We'll just leave it there that it was a pure demonstration and not even evidence.
Sike umbuso lo sesishiya le ndaba khona lapho ukukhomba nje phela kodwa ke ngingalofakazi khona.
Now, regarding your arrest on the 16th of June 2020, you testify that two gentlemen came to your room at Freedom Park and knocked at your room. Is that correct?
Ngokuya ke ngokuboshwa kwakho ke ekwenzeka mhla ka 16 June ngo-2020 uye wathula ufakazi la enkantolo wathi ke abalisa ababili ke bayeveza ke erumini lakho lapho Freedom Park bafike banqonoze emnyango nje njalo.
Yeah.
Yes.
How long after the call that you referred to that you say the caller identified themselves as Mamfundisi, how long after that call did these two gentlemen come to your room?
Manje ke lamadoda amabili afike vasasanani ngiyothola le yafoni le yangena leyo wathi ke phone yoMamfundisi.
Angazi ukuthi kathethe kwaphela amalanga amangaka.
I don't know it took how many days, just after how many days now.
Was it on the same day? Was it on a different day?
It
Cha, siyona leyo.
was not on the same day.
How long before the 16th of June 2020?
Bekunini ke ngaphambi kwe-16 June 2020.
I-16 June zingaphambili. Mina ngifanele ikhole ngemuva. Bangifanele before kufika 16 June.
I received the call before the 16th of June.
Yes, but the point we're trying to make is how long after that call did the two gentlemen come to your room at Freedom Park?
Yes,
You said it was not on the same day. Now we are asking you how long before the time did you receive, how long before the 16th of June 2020 did you receive the call?
Esithanda ukwazi ukuthi ke bekunini ke before i-16 June ukuthi labadoda bawusuthole leya call leya ukuthi lamadoda amabili ke eze bahlala khona eFreedom Park.
Ingakho nje angisakhubuthi
Ushilo wathi asiyi-16 bekunini.
angisakhubuthi kwajapa amalanga amangaka before kufika i-16. Ngoba ngithi ikhole ngiyithole ngale ngoba ayikho into engangigadile.
My Lord, I cannot really recall how many days passed before the 16 because I was not looking forward to anything.
But Mr. Tanzi, were these events not important to you? You say a person calls you, tells you that he or she is an investigating officer in the Senzo Meiwa case, and on the 16th of June 2020, you are then arrested.
Manje mzantanzi into lezi ngezingabalulekanga kuwena ngoba ke uye wachaza wathi ke khona umuntu uyakufonela wakutshela ukuthi ke umphenyi ehlala enkasini Meiwa nakho manje ngisithi sakajini uyaboshwa.
Mina ngingabaleka mangisesisikebeni.
I'm not a thug or a criminal, or I did not run away, my Lord.
What time did the two gentlemen arrive at your room on the 16th of June 2020?
Manje ke lamadoda lamabili ke afike esikhatsini leli kame erumini lapho nge-16 June 2020.
Esikhathi akaze ngisibone Nkosi enkantolo.
I did not look at the time.
Ngoba kwakubanda ilanga liyashesha ukushona ukuthi isikhathi okubani angazi.
It was cold and gets dark quickly. What time was it? I did not check.
Was it before sunset? Was it after sunset?
bekunikela ngasemshonini noma ngingakashonile.
Kwase kumnandi.
It was dark.
You testified that they said that they were looking for Siyanda.
Uye wathula ufakazi wathi-ke lawo bantu baye bathi bafuna ke uSiyanda.
Bembiza ngosiyana.
They were calling me Siyanda, yes.
And this was after they had introduced themselves as police officers.
Lokhu kwakusho emva kokuthi basichazele ukuthi bamaphoyisa bona.
Sebesichazele kanjani?
Introduced ukuthi bamaphoyisa.
Cha abasuka ngabo labangichaza ukuthi bangamaphoyisa. Yimi bengixabana nabo phela bangibonisa ukuthi bangamaphoyisa.
No, they did not like just come and introduce themselves as police. I'm the one who was like arguing with them, asking or requesting that they show proof that they were police officers.
Futhi lokho kwenzeka phandle hayi endlini yami phakathi.
And all that took place outside, not inside my room.
Did they mention the surname of Siyanda?
Baye babiza ke isibongo sakhe uSiyanda.
Angibambiza ngosiyanda Buthelezi.
They were calling me Siyanda Buthelezi.
Batshela ukuthi nangisiyanda nayo. Sifika ngisihlobo kaButhelezi.
I told them that I was not Siyanda and I was not related to the Buthelezis.
Ngoba sona zakhe sezothi ngicina ngikhiphe ID ngibani ukuthi na ID yami bokana ukuthi ngoba sebethi okay sifuna wena.
That was the reason why I even went further to bring out my ID and show them my ID. After showing them my ID, that's when they said, yes, we're actually looking for you.
We have put the evidence of Brigadier Gininda to you that after the statement of Mr. Absalom Zungu was obtained on the 17th of November 2019, they profiled you and accused number 2.
Yes, sesikutshelile ke bona ufakazi bakhe uGininda ke ngale nkathi echaza la nkantolo ukuthi emva kokuthi ke bathathe ngestatement sakhe Absalom Zungu mhla ka-17 November ngo-2019 sorry ke baye baniprofile ke ukuthi wena amaqala azodekwa wabani omunye azodekwa wabani.
Bathatha statement wona ku-Absalom Zungu. Absalom Zungu statement esiphilile phambi kwakho.
The same Absalom Zungu denied the statement before the court.
So the point here, Ms. Santanz, is that they knew who you are. Why would they call you by a different name?
Manje osibekayo ukuthi ke Mzantanzi ke bekwazi kahle ukuthi wena ubani manje ungani sizathu ukuthi bakubize ngelinye igama ungasilona lapho.
Sebeyangazi futhi manje.
So now they know me.
Yes, but the point of the matter, Ms. Santanz, is that at the time when they approached you, they had already profiled you, so they knew who they were looking for.
Mzantanzi etsho ukuthi ngale nkathi ke sebeza kuwe labo bantu labo besebazi kahle ukuthi ubani ngoba ke manje besebanayo iprofile yakho ke.
So they could not have called you by a different name as you are there.
Akwenzeki ukuthi ke baje kube bafika kuwe bakubiza ngelingana ngoba baze kuwe vele bazi ukuthi ke bafuna abantu abantu abayekuyela.
Cha ukhuluma ngeqiniso.
That is not true.
So i-ID yami uyisaphi phoma ukuthi ke wayelazi igama lami.
So where was he taking my ID to if he knew my name?
Ngoba kwakhona endlini ngoba futhi mangiphuma endlini siye sophikisana phansi ngifela ngibophe endlela ngigqoka ngibophe ufuna mina ngingena emotweni sambe.
Because when we had the arguments in the house before we even went outside, we were supposed to have arrested me. He told me to dress up and follow them.
You testify that one of the two gentlemen made a call to your cell phone number, is that correct? To your cell phone number.
Uye wathi ke omunye lamadoda amabili ke uye wayenza ngasho ukuthi ngifonela inombolo yakho kunjani.
Simo khona lapha phandle ngithi.
Once we still standing outside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ngithe mina umhani ukhipha ifoni yakhe uyafona ubeka ifoni la ngizwa mina kuringa ifoni ngoba ifoni yami ngayazi ringtone yakho.
I said Mafane took out his phone, made a call. At that time I had my own phone ringing since I know my ringtone.
Eyami ifoni ikhala ingoma kaMaskandi.
My phone has a genre Maskandi gen playing.
And you testify that after Sergeant Mohane had made this call to your phone, your phone rang, is it correct?
uthe ngemva ukuthi umuntu Mokhane-ke efonela-ke ifoni yakhe iyakhala. Yes, it rang.
And he then said, dress up, you are the person that we are looking for.
Wayesethi gqoka wena umuntu esifunayo.
Yebo ngahamba ngiyogqoka nabo bangilandela.
Yes, I then proceeded to my room to dress up, and they also followed me there.
Ngoba ngigqoka nje nabo bakhona ngaphambi kwami.
As I was dressing up, they were just there next to me.
So the point here, Mr. Ntanzi, is that they knew your cell phone.
Esikusho mhlawumbe ukuthi manje labantu laba-ke bebeyazi isefoni yakho.
You say Sergeant Mokhane telephoned your cell phone and rang.
Uthe uMokhane-ke uyawafonela ifoni yakhe yasekhaya.
Akasilungise.
Let us just fix this thing.
Umkhali nami ngibona ngedala inombolo yakhe. Umkhali mayebeka isandla so endlebeni kuringa ifoni yakhe.
I did not see Mokhane dialing my number on his phone, but when he took the phone to his ear, I then heard my own phone ringing.
Ngoba kuringa ifoni yami ebambe ngesandla. Ukhona umuntu akhuluma naye la ubhizi yakhuluma lapha efula.
As my phone is ringing on his hand, he is talking to somebody on the phone.
Ukuthi nguye wayefonela ifoni yami noma ubani angibonanga ngoba ifoni ayisikube ezandleni.
Of whether he was the one who called my number, I did not see since my phone was in his hand.
But Mr. Ntanzi, you've just said that Sergeant Mokhane called your number and it rang with the Maskandi tone, ringing tone, and you were then told, when the call came through, you were told to dress up as you are the one that they are looking for.
Kodwa mntanzi usandukusho manje ukuthi-ke ngale nkathi uMokhane efonela ifoni yakho-ke iyakhala-ke ringtone kamaskandi base bakutshela ukuthi ugqoke wena umuntu abamfunayo.
Silungise lapho ukuthi mina lapha ekhona. Umkhali mayebeka ifoni la endlebeni kuringa ifoni yakhe.
Let us just correct that, my lord. I said when Mokhane now took the phone to his ear, my phone started ringing.
Ukuthi ufonela inamba yami ufanele kaba mina ngazo ngoba ifoni kuye esandleni ayisezandleni zakhe.
As to whether he called my phone or somebody else's phone, I have no idea, but the phone was in his hand.
We just want to look at your evidence during the trial. With the trial, on the 8th of February 2024, page 8, we'll read lines 13 to 16 too. At line 11, Mr. Ramusepeli, and what did the officer that you handed the phone do with those phones? Accused number 2, he responded as follows. He looked at the phones, took out his phone, made a call, and then a call came through my phone. That is when he then said to me, go and get dressed. We are the ones, you are the one we are looking for.
Manje manje ngasibeka ufakazi lokhu-ke obathulwa lomhlaka 8 February ngo-2024 ngale nkathi uMr. Ramusepeli kuyena-ke ukuzibuzo uye wathi-ke manje uphusa leli-ke walinikeza amafoni-ke lenzani ngamafoni wena-ke accused number 2 wasephinde wathi-ke uye wabuka-ke lawo mafoni lawo wawathatha amafoni wayenza-ke call kwaba khona-ke khona engenayo efonini yakho.
Yeah, ngoba ngizwe yakhala anti phone nami ngizwe yakhala.
Yes, since it's my phone and I heard the phone ringing.
Ukuthi yena ufonela wena number yami ufonela lo yamuntu afonela number yami angazi mina noma angizwe ukuthi babekhuluma.
As to whether he's the one that called my phone or he called that person to call my phone, since I could not hear their conversation.
But sir, your evidence is very clear there. As we've just quoted from the passage during the trial, within the trial.
Kodwa-ke ubufakazi bakhe Ntanzi-ke buyazwakala nje ukuthi masifunda la-ke ukuthi-ke lowo muntu lo eshaya ucingo i-call yasengena efonini yakho.
Mina ngikuphile phambi kwakho.
I'm not disputing that before the court.
Angithi ifoni yami yaringa.
My phone rang.
Yes, but
Ukube mhlambe ngithi mhlambe phambi kwakho wangikhombisa ukuthi ubani lobona ngabe ngicela ikhothi engcono.
If I were to say that he showed me who was calling on that day, I would have maybe gave the court better explanation.
your evidence during the trial, within the trial, is very clear that Mukhani called your phone, and that the call came through, and that's when they said, dress up, you are the one that we are.
Ubufakazi bakho Mzantanzi busobala ukuthi ubethe wena le Trump isinethabi Mukhani uyafona ifoni yakho ikhola khona sengena kuwe base bathi gqoka ke sami.
Ngosenkantolo namanje ngiyaphinda into emhlophe lenkulumo le ayikho lapha eroom.
My Lord, I'm still repeating myself. This thing is just here. What is said here, there's nothing wrong with this passage.
Uthatha ifoni yami kimi ubeka isandla lapha endlebeni ifoni yami yaringa. Ngizocabanga entangisisa ngoma nkulu. Ngizoshuda umuntu ufona inamba yami noma khona umuntu amfona nayo ufona inamba yami. Lezi zinto ziyithuba.
You take my phone from me, you make a call, my phone is in your hand and my phone rings. My Lord, I'm not a traditional healer, I'm not a sangoma, I don't throw bombs. So I would not know.
Ngingakho ngitshela ikhoti kumele iphethe ifoni yami siyakhala nantu ubeka ifoni yakhe endlebeni ifoni yami siyaringa.
Because now he has his phone on his ear and my phone on his hand, it is ringing.
So you stand by that evidence in the trial, as we've just quoted to you.
Uthi lokho obhalela ku trial tetani ukuthi ke uthi ifoni wathatha amafoni waseyenza i-call ikhala yasengena efonini yakho uma ngakho lokho kushilo la.
Ngithi mina manje phambi kwekhoti yena iphethe amafoni yami yena ukuthi ufonela bana ngazi mina ngizosekhala yena ifoni yakhe.
I am saying that my phone was with him, and as to who was he calling, I had no idea, but I had my phone ringing.
But on the evidence as it stands that he called your phone, that would mean that he had your cell phone number. That is the point that you're trying to make.
Esikushobha ukuthi ke uma uthi ke uye wafona ifoni washo ngama yakho ube nayo inombolo yakho ingakho khona ukuthi angafoni.
Ube nayo.
He had.
Mina ngazi mina.
I have no knowledge of that.
Ngoba kaze ngithola ifoni.
Because I never pressed his phone.
And the fact that Sergeant Mukhani had your cell phone number demonstrates that they knew who they were looking for, so they could not have called you by a wrong name of Sianda Utelezi.
And futhi ukuthi Mukhani ke ube nayo cell phone number ukuthi kuyakhomba ukuthi ke bebazi kahle ukuthi bafuna bani. Akwenzeki ukuthi bangafika lapha bakubize ngegama ungasilona bakubize uSiyanda Utelezi.
Cha bebengazi bebefocus bebezingela.
No, they did not know, they were just investigating.
We just once again wish to refer to Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1, cell phone records for your main number 6890. There were 7 transactions on the 16th of June 2020. The first one, your number ending 6890 on the 16th of June 2020 at 02:07:28. Received a call from a number 067330332, and it was a call for what? Lasting 3 minutes.
Sithanda ukuthi sibuyise kuma cell phone record wakho angomhla ka-16 June ngo-2020 ukhombisa ke ama-transaction angaba yisithupha kenzeka ngalo suku lolo ke oqala ke le ikhombisa inombolo yakho legcina ngo-6890 isikhathi ke ku-02:07:28 yathola ke ucingo kuya ku-067-330-382 yathatha ke 3 minutes.
So the 3 seconds.
Or 3 seconds. Sorry.
Ithatha ngokuphinda.
Which tower? Which area?
It says undefined.
ayichaze-ke uMboshana.
This could not have been Surgeon Mukhani's call, do you agree?
Ngiyavuma ukuthi bengasusejeni Mukhane bekafona ngalesikhathi.
Mina ngibona kodwa ngibonisa iphepha ngokuphendula athi kuyona nayo manje ngibonisa leli phepha leli.
Can you show me that exhibit so that I can be able to respond?
Just looking for an extra copy.
On page 7.
Yes, it's page 7 of 38, case ID 1031225. It's exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1, cell phone records for your number ending 16890. We have referred to the 16th of June 2020 at 02:07:28 seconds. Your number ending 6890 was called by a number 067-330-3332. The call lasted 3 seconds. It was a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Iyakhomba ke lapho ke i-cell phone record yakho ukuthi inombolo yakho legcina ngo-6890 ngomhla ka-16 June ngo-2020 isikhathi ku-02:07:28 yathola ke ucingo olungenayo kuphuma kunombolo ku-067 330-3332 yathatha ke 3 seconds.
Manje mina ngiyama kufanele ucishwa yena ngisesera simbeke. Mawuthi mhlawumbe ayengakafika amaphoyisa iyamfonela icishe mangiyemgodini phela.
I'm just surprised, my lord, that my phone was switched off whilst I was still in Rustenburg, because normally my phone is always off unless I go underground.
Again,
Mangibuka kahle la ubani 2 ngesikhathi
02:07:28.
nge-16 June angekho. Nangase kudala ngithathwa ngamaphoyisa esikhathi lesi.
And at this time, my lord, the police had already long took me with them.
no, this is during the early hours on the 16th. You said you were arrested in the evening. So this is during the early hours of the 16th.
Maybe that was 16 years.
Mhlawumbe we-network athi ifoni yayicishiwe.
Maybe it was network issues, not that the phone was switched off.
Whose number called you? That number ending 3332. Whose number does it belong to?
Inombolo kabani le yakufonela ke legcina ngo-3332.
Ngathi le number ngisayikhumbula lapho khona.
I did mention before the court that I don't recall whose number was this one.
And then again on the 16th of June 2020 at 02:07:50 seconds, 22 seconds after the previous call, that very same number ending 332 again called your number. The call lasting 3 seconds. That call went to voicemail. It was a call forward.
ngalo futhi lona lo suku lolo nge-16 zikaJuni ngo-2020 isikhathi manje ku-020750 ongaba 22 second ngawalo oqala khona yona leyo nombolo leyo ngifona ecaleni leyo ku-067 330 332 akufoni la futhi ukuthi ifona khona ingena ku-voicemail.
Do you have any comment, Mr. Ntanzi, regarding this call?
mayelana ke nale khona yale nombolo leyo ikhona ngo-332.
mina mangibuka la ngoba ngangayitshela ikhotha ukuthi mina mangibuye ekhaya ngamalanga ngikholwa beshintsha ama-shift yakuthi ungene ekuseni ungene u-2 ungene ebusuku ngalesi sikhathi engisibuka la njengalapha ngephezulu neyade ukufundela khona la iyakhomba abanye izokubhala ethawa ethi impala kukhomba ukuthi ngise-1 shaft ngo-6 napha ngo-6.
My Lord, if I remember very well, after the corona, we will normally work different shifts, and looking at the transaction that you showed me before, it shows it shows that I was at work, I was on shift.
iyabuya lapho because kanti ifoni yami isivaliwe.
And then from there, the other transaction shows that my phone was off,
iyavuleka futhi iko futhi impala khona lapho futhi.
and then it shows that my phone now is on, showing the tower in Ghana.
iyabuya lapho izothi Freedom Park.
And then after it shows Freedom Park, at that time I'm at home.
Yes. Now let's go back to those calls of the 16th of June 2020. The third call on the 16th of June 2020 at 020828. It's again a call from that number ending 332 to your number ending 6890 at 020828. Just over a minute after the previous call. It's also a call forward lasting 2 seconds. The tower is undefined.
Futhi ke masiqhubekela phambili ke inombolo yakho ibeka legcina ngo-6890 ngalo lolo suku lolo ke-16 zikaJuni ngo-2020 16 ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-020828 kuyakhombisa ke inombolo yakho ngathola ke kungenayo futhi kulo nombolo lesishilo ngaphambilini o-067 330 332 eyathatha 2 second umbhosho ngokungachazeki.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ukusho.
mina ngiyakubona lokho mangifunda ngendlela ngifunda ngalamathawa mina kwalandela ngoba mina ngasho ngiphambi kwekhotha yabona ifoni amayivalela kusho ukuthi ngingekho emgodini ngoba lesikhathi kushintshwa ama-shift.
I can see what you're saying, and my explanation is that if any place where you see that my phone was off, it could mean that I was underground since we were working shifts.
But those 3 calls were in the early hours of the 16th of June 2020, so none of them could have been Sergeant Mukhani's calls.
Manje womathathu lamakhona ke ifathi mawuvela mawusibona isikhathi sakhona ke wonke inkathi yakho sabo ngo-02 yenza ukubusa uSergeant Mukhani ukufonela ngaleso sikhathi.
mina umkhona wazake ngibophe etathakusa kwasenkantolo.
My Lord, Mukhani did not arrest me in the early hours of the morning.
Yes, so it couldn't have been him calling you at the time.
So akwenzeki ube ubuye ke wakufonela ke ngaleso sikhathi leso.
namanje la ifoni yami igcine eRustenburg eFreedom Park ngo-14/12/14.
14.
Yeah.
The last time, my Lord, from this document, the last time my phone was showing Rustenburg, the time was 14/12/14.
ukuba ifoni yami igcine lapha ngabo 7-8 eRustenburg bengingasho phambi kokuthi iyona last day yami yokuthi ngiboshwe ifoni mthatho ngamaphoyisa yabona amathawa wavela 5-6-7 awuveli ngitsela
Ngicela uphinde futhi lahle.
ngithi ukube mina ngizophinde ngiphansi engcono phambi kwekhoti ukuba ifoni yami la ithawa yakhona yokugcina yesikhathi yango 5-6 bengavuma ukuthi laba ngiseseRustenburg mhlawumbe sona sikhathi engiboshwe manje lapha ayizivezi lezo dola zekweli iphephe lapha kwekhoti.
If from this phone record, my phone shows my tower at around 5-6 being at Rustenburg, I would be in a better position to respond to that, but it's not showing that time, those times.
Manje mina isikhathi lesi ngo-2 ngangisekhona eRustenburg.
Around 2, I was still at Rustenburg.
Nango-3 ngangikhona, nango-4 ngangikhona, nango-5 ngangikhona.
Even at 3, 4, and 5, I was still in Rustenburg.
Kodwa lezi aziveli la.
But those transactions don't show here.
Yes, but look at the time. The next call, still on the 16th of June 2020, at 06:53:38. Your number ending 6890 received an incoming SMS still from the same number ending 3332, lasting 0 seconds, and the tower is 3G Impala Platinum.
Bheka futhi ke mongabheka lama record wakho phone uzobheka futhi nawamsuku lo 16 June 2020 isikhathi ke ku 06:53:38 inombolo yakho futhi iyavela lapha ukuthi iyathola ngemlayezo kungenayo kusuke kule number kulo nenombolo le igcina ngo-3332 elombosho futhi kuyimbala.
Mina ngale phambi kwakho.
I am not disputing that.
Ngithemile record inamba la ngisayikhumbula. Lokho ukuthi inamba yami kade ivaliwe ngapha ngathi isivuliwe la. Imuka lama SMS ifoni ivulwa ngithanda ngangishayisa ngibuye emgodini. Mhlawumbe ngangiphuma emgodini mangithi ngibona ulandela ngalamathawa abhabela impala freedom.
Looking at these towers here, my lord, because at some point my phone is off and at the other point my phone is on. It shows that maybe I was underground, and then after when I came out, that's when I was able to receive the SMS.
Now the next call is at 10:55 and 40 seconds, still on the 16th of June 2020. Your number ending 6890 receives an incoming SMS from the same number ending 3332. That incoming SMS lasted 0 seconds, and the tower is 3G Impala Platinum.
Uma futhi siqhubekela futhi emuva isikhathi manje ku-10:55:40 ngalo suku lolu 16 zikaJuni ngo-2020 inombolo yakho ke yona igcina ngo-6890 bethola ngomlayezo ongenayo yona nombolo leya esikhuluma ngayo ke igcina ngo-3332 umbhoshongo futhi ikhombisa yona nje imbala. Yes, I can see that.
Then the last transaction for the 16th is at 14:12 and 14 seconds. Your number ending 6890 on the 16th of June 2020 at 14:12, 14 seconds receives an incoming SMS, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from the number 06069461195, and the tower is 3G Freedom Park.
Yogcina ke transaction ethu esikhuluma ngayo lana ke kuma-record wakho ile 16 zikaJuni ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-14:12:14 inombolo yakho ke igcina ngo-6890 othola ke umlayezo ongenayo beke kunombolo ke u-06069461195 umbhoshongo kuyi-Freedom Park.
Iyabona kubona.
Yes, I can see that.
Now looking at your phone book, the index, that number 06069461995 is saved as index number 224 and belongs to Nunu.
Uma ke sibheka ke incwadi yakho izingcingo yakhombisa ke ukuthi ke inombolo le u-06069461995 lapha ifoni yakho ke ivela ke ngenombolo ke ikaNulu.
We're going to show you index number 224. Is the third one from the bottom.
Ithi ke lapho uma ngayo ke yiyo le kaNulu.
Yalwa.
Esathutshile.
Now, you see, there were 7 transactions on the 16th of June 2020. Starting at 020728 and ending at 141214. This is before your arrest. Is that correct?
Uma sibheka ke mhla ka 16 June ngo-2020 masibheka ke i-cellphone record yakho ke ngalosuku lelo uqala ke ama-record akho akhombisa ukuthi ke qala kwamafoni nama-SMS naqala ngo-020728 kuze ko-141214 futhi wena imbuso le bekubefore uboshwa wena lenkathi lezi.
Bengakaboshwa ngisahlele eRustenburg.
Yes, I was still at Rustenburg and I was not arrested yet.
Ingakho nje ngivezele ikhotha ukuthi mina eRustenburg ngabo 4, 5, 6 I'm sure bekusekhona eRustenburg. Yini indaba ifona ngabaveza amathawa khona?
That's why I'm trying to even show the court that around 4, 5 and 6 I was still at Rustenburg. But why is this cell phone record not showing those towers?
Do you then agree, Ms. Ntanzi, that the call that you are referring to, that you say Sergeant Mukhani called you during the time of your arrest doesn't appear on your cell phone records, Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1?
Uvela mangithi ke le call lokhu mangayi uMukhani kuyakhona ayiveli la kuma cell phone records wakhe.
Angivumelani nawe.
No, I don't agree with him.
Ngoba okokuqala uMkhani Nkosi enkantolo akafika ngake ngo-2.
Because firstly, Mukhani did not come to me around 2, my lord.
Mina ngiboshwe sokumnyama isikhathi angisasikhumbula sokumnyama.
When I was arrested, it was already dark, though I cannot remember or recall the time.
Manje mina uMkhani ngimbona yaphi ngo-2 ngoba ifana igcina ngo-2 eRustenburg. Freedom Park.
Where did I see Mukhani around 2? Because the last time my phone is showing on the tower is around 2 in Freedom Park.
Yes, that is the point that we're trying to make, Ms. Ntanzi, that the call that you are referring to, that you say Sergeant Mukhani called your number during your arrest, doesn't appear on Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1.
Yona point lefuna uyenza mntanzi ukukhombisa ukuthi njengoba wena usho ukuthi Mr. Mukhani ngale nkathi uboshwe uye wafonela inamba yakho. Zama ukukhomba lokho ukuthi ke akho njalo ngoba ke leyo call le ayiveli la kuma cell phone record wakho ukuthi ke khona ke i-call ke yasuka kuMukhani yasengena kuwena. Ayikho la kuma cell phone.
Namanje mina ngiyaphinda lapha kugcinwa ngo-2 isikhathi phambi kwekhotha. Laba sikhuluma ngo-2 mina bengakamboni uMkhani ngo-2.
We are talking about the time 2. At that time I've not seen Sergeant Mukhani.
Manje uzoyifonela inamba yami ngakamboni ngamazi namazi.
How was he going to call my number if I have not seen him and when I don't even know him?
We also wish to refer you to your other number, the secondary number ending 8460. For for the 16th, your number ending 8460 on the 16th of June 2020 at 01:57:29 received a call from the very same number that called you on your other number 6890. That number also called your secondary number 8460. It is the number ending 3332 on the 16th of June 2020 at 01:57:29. It was a call forward. The tower is 3G Platinum NGA. We'll give you the cell phone records. Then your number ending 8460 on the 16th of June 2020 at 02:07:40 received a call from the very same number ending 3332 lasting 3 seconds. It was also a call forward. The tower is undefined. Then again your number 8460 on the 16th of June 2020 at 06:54:01 received an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from the very same number ending 3332. The tower is Impala Platinum NGA.
Futhi mnumzane Ntanzi-ke masibheka futhi ama-cellphone records wakho mase siphuma-ke ngenombolo yakho lenye yesibili lonayo legcina-ke ngo-8460. Okokuqala ukhumbule-ke ngesikhathi-ke siku-01:57:29 le nombolo yakho le igcina ngo-8460 iyathola-ke ucingo okungenayo noma inombolo le efonile futhi inombolo yakho icala legcina ngo-6890 inombolo yakhona legcina ngo-3002. Yesibili futhi ngane-16 zikake uJune 2020 isikhathi futhi ku-02:07:40 yona inombolo yakho legcina ngo-8460 futhi uyathola futhi-ke umcingo kusofuna kule nombolo le egcina ngo-3332 eyathatha-ke 3 second umbhoshongo nawo awuchaziwanga. Yesithathu futhi inombolo yakho yona legcina ngo-8460 ngomhla ka-16 June ngo-2020 isikhathi-ke ku-06:54:01 yathola-ke umlayezo ongenayo ophuma kuleya nombolo-ke le iyashala ngaphambilini-ke u-3332 umbhoshongo futhi-ke kuyi-platinum Impala.
Yebo ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see that.
Bese ngiphendula ukuthi lama record la ayangimangaza ngoba awafani. Leni yakhomba ukuthi bengisekhona eRustenburg ngazi lokhozi. Ngalesi sikhathi lesika 80 bengisekhona eRustenburg kodwa leli ngapha nenye ifuna mayikhombe lokho.
I'm just surprised about these two records because the records that is showing on Exhibit DD, page 1 of 5, it does show that around 08, around 2028-52, it does show that I was still in Rustenburg, and yet this other record that you showed me does not show that.
Okwento kokugcina ngiphinda ngithi le number esibiza lapha phambi kwecourt amapholisa ayiphika lapha ecourt kodwa ngiphinde ngibonge ngoba futhi iphinde ibuye nawo ushishisa azoyifundela icourt.
And again, just to repeat myself, this number that we are referring to, the police officers denied or declined this number, but I'm happy that now this number is now coming back and we are now discussing or talking about it again.
Ngoba mina azange ngisuka ngitshela icourt ukuthi inamba yami lena lapha ecourt ngiphendule ama-record namafoni esephendule ukuthi hayi inamba yami le nale.
Because I never personally came before the court and gave the court my cell phone numbers.
But Mr. Ntanzi, the point of the matter is the following. On your main number, 6890, there are 7 transactions, and you agree that the last call was just around 1400 hours. That is before your arrest.
Uthi ke umbuso ke kule number yakho le egcina ngo-6890 kuyakhomba ukuthi kwaba namapholi ke ayi-7 and eyokugcina ipholi ke yaba ke ngo-14 la.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mina ngangingaboshwa ngaso sikhathi leso.
But at that time I was not arrested yet.
Ngingakho ngithi ngaphambi kokuthi naleli phepha tongikhombisa la lebusisi siyaqale. Liyaveza ukuthi bengisekhona eRustenburg. Leli lingaveza ukuthi bengisekhona eRustenburg le.
Because one of the cell phone records that you showed me does show that I was still at Rustenburg, yet the second cell phone record does not show that I was still in Rustenburg.
And on your other number that you've just referred to, the last call was just around 6 minutes before 7 in the morning of the 16th of June 2020.
Enye ikhulu yakho igcina ke bengaba 6 minutes before 7, nasi 16th ya June 2020. Can you show which one is that?
Is the calls on your other number, the 3 calls?
This is in that kule inombolo yakho lecela ngo-8460.
On le.
Yes.
Ngingakaboshwa ngaso sikhathi leso.
But I was not yet arrested at this time.
Yes. Now, Mr. Ntanzi, do you agree that on both your numbers that they don't reflect the call that you referred to, that Sergeant Mukhani called you on after your arrest on the 16th of June 2020?
Mnumzane Ntanzi, uyavumelana nombuso mawuthi ke kule nombolo zakho zezimbili lezi, A1 leyo ku-8460 naleyo ku-6890, kulama cell phone record lawo awakhombisi ukuthi ngempela ke uSergeant Mohane ke uyakufonela ngale nkathi ke uboshwa. Ama-cell phone record awakhombisi lo.
Angivumelani naye kosenkantolo.
I don't agree with you.
Why not?
Kungani?
Umkhane okokuqala ngapha lele record le phone yami yokuqala ngangakamboni mina ngabo 6 ekseni.
Firstly, on the record of my first number, around 6 in the morning, I had not at that time seen Sergeant Mohane.
Okwesibili phinde kulele number lami egcina ngo-90 ngangakamboni umkhane ngabo 2.
And secondly, on my other number that ends with 90, I have not seen Mr. Mohane around 2.
Siphinde kwesithi izathu certificate esikhulu ngavumelana naso lapha oVodacom bobabili amafoni ami ahlala kimi omabili kodwa akhuluma izinto ezihlukene.
And again, both these lines are my Vodacom lines. They are both my calls, but now they give out different information.
Lena eRustenburg lisekhona ngo-8, lena eRustenburg igcine ngo-2 emini, kwenze kanjani?
The other one in Rustenburg, it shows that in Rustenburg, I mean at around 8, I was still at Rustenburg, and this other record ends at around 2.
But they receive data at different times.
Kodwa-ke bathole-ke wonke ufakazi ngey'nkathi ezahlukahlukene aziphuma ngey'khathi esisodwa.
mina ngazi into akhishwa ngayo
I don't know since I'm not the one who
ikakhulu nje njengale le kagcina ngo-90 phambi kwekhodi lena ngumehluko kakhulu kunale ukuthi isho ukuthi yiphi enamandla kuya ngamandla lokuya nganangazi phela mina ngisebenza
especially the records for the number that ends with 90, it's totally different from the second record. I don't know how that comes to be, what scale is used for that.
ngoba ngisho ngene ebusuku ngabo-2 sesengivukile ngesikhathi abo-2 sosengivuka okudala futhi ifona ngiyicishi
Even if I work night shift around 2, my lord, I'm already up, long time up, and I don't switch off my phone. My phone is either on silent.
Mr. Ntanzi, differently put, both your phones indicate the transactions before your arrest on the 16th of June 2020. Do you agree?
Sometimes uyavumelana ukuthi-ke womabili amafoni wakho le egcina ngo-8460 nalenye yesibili egcina ngo-6890 akhombisa-ke ama-call konke okwenzake ngaphambi ukuthi uboshwe. Uyavumelana naloko mshishisa kushona?
noma ngayezwa iquestion yakhe kahle ukuthi ithini mina
I don't understand your question very well.
Okay, very well. We'll repeat. The transactions on both your phones, 7 transactions on the main phone, 6890, and 3 transactions on the other phone. Both of them show transactions before your arrest. Do you agree?
Uyavuma uma uthi umbuso-ke lama-call la oyi-7 lawa avela kunombolo yakho yokuqala nalawa avela kunombolo yakho yesibili lamathathu-ke ila yenzakale ngaphambi ukuthi uboshwe.
yebo ngakaboshwa
Yes, before I was arrested.
During the time of your arrest, there are no transactions on both your phone. Do you agree?
Ngale nkathi-ke sowuboshwa noma sowuboshiwe-ke awekho ama-call amanye-ke ama-transaction ama-call amanye avelayo.
lena ifoni yami ngithi ibhalwe ukuthi eRustenburg igcine ngo-6 lena ibhalwe ukuthi igcine ngo-2 mina ngesikhathi esengingakaboshwa nangiboshwe ebusuku
One of my phone record shows that the last time it was in Rustenburg, it was around 6. The other one says around 2. At that time, I was not arrested yet, my lord.
Yes.
ngiyichazele ikhodi mina ngathi kose enkantolo lapha angisibona isikhathi sika-3 sika-4 sika-5 sika-6 la kuleli record lokuqala la Vodacom nakuleli lesibili kanjalo futhi yabona ifoni yami igcina kuba on ngo-6 icishe ubani sonke lesikhathi lesimini yonke.
And I did bring this to the attention of the court that I don't see any record during the times 3, 4, 5, and 6 on both of these cell phone records. And there was a point where my phone was off.
Nona ngithi lesi sikhathi sika-6 ekuseni manje imini yonke ivaliwe kwami.
And then it shows the time of 6, the time of around 6. And my question is, the whole day, who had switched off my phone?
Now, we are going to repeat this proposition. Do you agree that around about the time of your arrest on the 16th of June, 2020, there are no transactions on both your numbers?
Sizophinda futhi lo sekushilo ukuthi-ke ngale nkathi-ke wena sowuboshiwe mhla ka-16 June ngo-2020 akukho-ke ama-transaction kungena kwamafoni ukufonelana nefoni-ke emanumbereni wakho omabili 16 June ngo-2020 emva kuthi uboshiwe wena.
Sengiboshiwe.
Yes.
Angikuboni namathawa ngiwabona.
I don't see it here since I don't even see the towers.
Nesikhathi asiveli la.
And even the time here does not show.
Please, my lord, can we adjourn for the day at this point in time?